In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put a text box over a picture or image and add words to it in Microsoft Word. This is a great skill to have, whether you're creating personal projects, professional presentations, or just jazzing up some documents with a bit of creative flair. So, let's dive right in and get started. First off, open up the Microsoft Word app on your computer. It's the perfect tool for this task because it offers everything we need to easily insert text onto images. If you don't have Word open yet, take a moment to launch the application. Once you're in Microsoft Word, you'll want to open the document you're working on or simply start a new one if you're creating something from scratch. You can do this by navigating to the File menu and selecting the document you want. With your document open, it's time to head over to the toolbar at the top of your screen. Find and click on the Insert tab. This tab is your gateway to adding various elements to your document, including pictures and text boxes, which are essential for our task today. Once you've clicked on it, you'll see a variety of options appear in the ribbon below. Now, if you want to add a picture or an image, look for the Pictures option under this Insert tab. Clicking on Pictures opens a dialog box that allows you to browse files stored on your computer. It's time to navigate through your folders and choose the image you'd like to work with. Select your desired photo and click Insert to bring it right into your document. Great! Now your image is in the document. But we're here to add text over it, aren't we? The next step is to click on the text box option, which is also found under the Insert tab. Selecting this option allows you to create a box that you can type into, and it's pretty straightforward to use. After clicking Text Box, you'll be able to draw and resize your text box directly on the image by clicking and dragging your mouse. Positioning is key here. You want your text box to be placed exactly where you want your words to appear, so feel free to drag it around until you found the perfect spot. Since the text box is clear, you can type right over the image while still being able to adjust the formatting of your text as needed. You can change fonts, sizes, and colors to make your text stand out or blend in just the way you like. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to layer a text box over a picture in Microsoft Word. You've not only learned how to select, position, and format your text over an image, but you've also picked up a versatile skill that can enhance any document. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.